Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. We have gray skies, but really the story of the day has been the gusty wind. So we're going to carry you through what we expect to happen with that wind as we go into the evening tonight. Tomorrow, the focus will be on rain as we let that wind blow away. And then the rest of the week quiet until Sunday. It's first alert weather day on your Sunday for cold. That's Halloween, and that means we want to give you that first alert that it's going to be a day to bundle up those trick-or-treaters, ghosts and goblins. Here's a look at the winds currently. Sustained winds around 10 to 25 miles per hour for most out to the west, a few gusts higher than that. Where you see the orange colors, we have very high gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour, still peeking their head up at times. Trees of Minnesota sheltering some of you from the gustiest of the winds, which we're over 40 miles per hour today as forecast. So windy with increasing clouds here. We're getting reports of some showers of rain and some mist working its way down in places like Minot and Bismarck already. Wet roads out in Dickinson. So the rain is on its way. And now as we take a look at your current temperatures, 57 in Hallock. It's cooler off to the west. The James River Valley closer to 50 degrees. And that's what we're looking at right now for Babe, the Blue Ox in Bemidji. Detroit Lakes, you have 52. And here is a look at what's going on out at Hector International. Gray skies, a 56-degree reading at the airport, 55 at Moorheads Airport. Our wind is from the southeast, gusting presently at 33 miles per hour, but look at these dew points, very dry air. So you can look at this cloud base here, and all the way down to the ground, that air is extremely dry. Any raindrops that try to fall from the clouds like that and have that much dry air to fall through oftentimes evaporate. So it's going to take a while before we'll have a chance of rain this evening then. Even though the future radar shows a couple blips on the screen here, I don't anticipate much making its way down to the ground. Maybe in our far western counties, that's where the chance will be best for evening showers. But then as we head to bed, the wind decreases and it's out of here. It'll be a little bit breezy from the southeast, 10 to 15 miles per hour. And look at the morning showers moving in from the south. Southern counties start out the day needing an umbrella, and temperatures will be in the mid 40s to get you started. And then we stay there. Look at the rain, moderate where you see the yellows and oranges, or even heavy at times. Through the mid-morning, I've paused this, at the 9 o'clock hour, almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Then the heaviest of the rain ships up into northwest Minnesota as we go through midday, and the rain showers just keep coming. Now, the best chance of no rain at all, or very little, will be in our far western counties, and the rain eventually will exit off to the east. But notice this, I paused it at 10:40, 11 o'clock at night, still raining, or most likely raining in our easternmost counties. So after a day of rain, how much will be in the bucket? A trace to 2/10 of an inch where you see these dark blue shades out here. Then in the Red River Valley from Fargo and points east, we'll have a great chance at 1/4 of an inch to an inch plus in some of these communities near the green colors there, as it'll be a soggy midweek day. 47 to start your morning at 6. We'll have that chance of morning showers that could be moderate. By mid-morning, they'll become heavy at times, and rain showers will generally begin their descent out to the east and exit, I should say, as we go through the late part of the day. But all in all, we still have a fair shot at a good half-inch of rain in and around the FM area. Temperatures mostly in the upper 40s. We could see some 50-degree readings to the west where there's a lower chance of rain, and it'll be cooler in the afternoon as some of the heaviest rain showers will be pushing into your neck of the woods during the 4 o'clock hour. Planning forecasts, we'll get to that in a moment, but Paula and so many of you have shared gorgeous sunrise photos. Go ahead and download the VNL Weather app, search VNL Weather today. We've posted a video of some of your photos there to share with everyone on the app. Thanks so much for joining our broadcast on the app as well. Temperatures quieter on Thursday and Friday. Will be allowed to return to those 50s. That's above average for this time of the year. Saturday looks like a keeper. It will be a little breezy, but by and large pretty good. A cold front moves through. First alert weather day. That's why Sunday's in red here. And the mummy's dancing. And this is not a mummy. That is, what is that? That's a Frankenstein dancing up there, okay? Not a mummy, Hutch. A few flakes are possible in the north for your kind of spooky forecast, but I'm not really concerned about deep snow for trick-or-treaters. It's going to be cold. Notice the high of 42. That means most of the day we're in the 30s with wind chills in the 20s for those trick-or-treaters.
I think a mummy would probably dance like that too. I see where you're going with that.
Yeah, I'll see if I can dig up a dancing mummy. Maybe we can do that. See what we can.
Awesome. Stay tuned.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Hutch. The first nor'easter of the